Hello and welcome back. In UML operator news for November 2024, we want to update you on what we're currently focused on. Last month, we told you that we were creating content for two types of modelers, one for early adopters and the other for advancing users. Advancing topics will go out on Tuesdays, while early adopter topics will go out on Thursdays. And we'll try to keep up with that schedule as we're progressing. Feedback has been very positive. Appreciate that so much. With some advancing users telling me that even the early adopter content has been beneficial for them. The team and I are currently working on cleaning up some fall cleaning of the UML operator channel in YouTube. I want to make sure I'm clear. The playlists need work as well as some video descriptions and tags. This helps search and find what you're looking for. We want to make it easy to learn Sparks and UML in general, especially as we get into other tooling. For some companies we support, they use SharePoint and similar platforms. This makes it easy to find the content we produce for them. For YouTube, it's not so much. So we will count on tags and the layout of YouTube playlists to help flow through your learning experience. Thank you for all the positive support and feedback. I probably can't say thank you enough. You all are truly amazing in making this channel very fun. Please continue to let us know in comments down below what you are looking for when it comes to computer-aided software engineering and the unified modeling language. So until our next episode, happy modeling.